All right, guys, it's Josh here, aka Lenny Tips, aka Don't Buy Real Estate, and we're here in the worst real estate market in history. It's 2025. Next year it could be worse. If you're a real estate agent, this on my Instagram. A tip for you guys is to go on Redfin, Zillow, MLS, filter through properties that have been on the market for way too long. Call those agents. What I would do is I would negotiate a 30% commission if you do bring in a buyer for that listing. And if they give you any resistance with that, they're just not looking to sell the property. They're doing a disservice to their seller and to their. Approach those open house leads and how to get them back into the house they visited with a steal of a deal. So tip number one, be active for real estate agents. Call everyone, call agents, call lenders, call other real estate. Creative. Now, I'm not the most creative guy in the world, but I like to think outside the box. That goes for my social media, that goes for my transaction, that goes for my life. So when it comes to being creative in real estate, it's not just sticking a house on the MLS and hoping that a buyer walks in. It's running promos. Look at new construction homes. What do? They have flags everywhere, signage everywhere. They have motivation for selling those transactions with higher commission splits, with incentives to buyers. So copy what works, and the new home construction mindset works every single time. What we've been doing with our listings is we've been pricing them at $2 or $1, or even adding so many incentives that you can't even count. It's almost overwhelming. So we're shrinking that down. And when I mean incentives, you're probably like, what does that mean? 2-1 buy down credit? You could start there. Let's start with the credit, $20,000 credit, buy your rate down to 4.99%. This. Another term that everyone's hating right now is creative finance. And so I want to throw that word creative out the window when it comes to finance. It's just regular financing that you guys don't think about because you're trapped in a box. So get out of the box and see if that seller that you're listing or that seller you're putting an offer on is negotiable with maybe carrying a second mortgage. That will help your out-of-pocket expenses, your down payment, and make properties slightly more affordable for individuals.